Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations, and our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following, and welcome to our channel. Good morning from the Florida State Fairgrounds. So today we're checking out the Super Tampa RV show, and it's a special treat for us. We were invited back again this year and we have so much to show you, so stay tuned. You know how much we love our fifth wheels, and we're gonna see a really luxurious one. Really cool floor plan, $125,000, but if you're traveling full-time, it's a lot less expensive than a house. It's called River Ranch, and we're gonna check it out right now. Whoa, that is massive. Yeah, I'm not sure I would be taking this down to Baja, that's for sure. This is one of those stationary RVs. Look at that. If we start outside, there's so much going on with this RV. So there's your shore power there. You have some storage compartments back here, a speaker. You got your awning there, nice slide outs. Some more compartments over here, another slide out, and the front door. So let's take a look inside. So that's a nice big sturdy door, which I love, and a screen. So wow, beautiful. This is really cool. It's really cool that you have a baby gate here, so that's great for pets, for children. It comes with that cute little dinette, super cool. So those chairs just strap right into place. Trying to find all the light switches in here to show you. So let's see. Oh, okay. Don't want it to get too hot in here, but that gives us a little bit of light. Whoa! Look at the size of that TV. And that fireplace. 4-burner gas stove. How cool is that? Look at the size of that oven. Just spectacular. Microwave is always great to have, and the size of that is just fantastic. We actually have a standard home fridge in this RV. Beautiful little island. So lots of storage down there. Nice stainless steel faucet. Cutting board to cover it, and this is to dry your dishes. Yeah, really nice. Nice lazy boys here. And imagine that this would be a sleep sofa as well. You have one air conditioner there, another air conditioner here. You have the roof vent where you need it above the kitchen area, so that's great. Some pantry space over here. So this is another little area. So it's kind of an office slash den slash guest room. It's pretty cool. So this would come up and lock into place so that you can use the couch. So you can also hook up a TV here. So if the kids want to watch something separate from the adults over there, then you put another TV here. That could be also their homeschooling area where they do their homework. And there's the bunk bed with the ladder. They have a little vent fan here too. In the hallway, we have some storage. Beautiful bathroom. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Fantastic. Roof vent there. This is what I call a party shower. It fits 2 people comfortably, and if you have some mobility challenges, you could sit while you're showering. Standard toilet for linens and medicine cabinet. Little hook for a towel. Lots of windows. So here we have, I know that there's a TV there, it pops right up. That's pretty cool. And a fireplace, so cozy. And a huge bed, looks like it's a king size bed. And what I like is that there's room to move even on this side. Might be just a little bit, but at least the other person doesn't have to crawl over their partner to get to the bathroom, which is really cool. And here you have a nice hanging closet right beside the bed. Got lots of space in there. Yeah, look at that. Look at all that storage space. This master bedroom is just huge. Got the air conditioner there too. Very comfortable for a family of 3 or even 4. Gorgeous.